to DIY with Aurea and the glue contact. Ready, let's make some magic, Jay.
My dear friends, today I'm crafting some of my stash. I found this clay and this piece of wood. When I found it, I said, well, I could create a rolling pin. I started off with that purple one. I expected it to dry and get firm, but it stays soft the whole time. So that's why I switched to this other clay, which I like a lot better. So all I did was created these two little pieces right here. And then I added a straw in the middle to make sure that I can attach it to something. Now, I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, why didn't she use another piece of wood and created little handles with wood? Yes, I could have done that, but the whole thing was the challenge of using that clay. I wanted to make sure that I could do something completely different. Now, I added a little bit of hot glue. I waited a day or two, and then when I came back, this clay worked like magic. And you see me put that in that little vase because, of course, I wanted to make sure that it dries nice and straight. With red acrylic paint, I'm going to be painting both of the handles. And now with white chalk paint, I'm going to be painting this piece of wood right here. I'm going to give it 2 coats. I'm also going to be painting this star with a blue chalk paint. I'm going to dry it, put it to the side, and then with this, I'm going to be taking this blue string and I'm going to be wrapping it around these 2 handles 3 times. Once everything was put in place, then I came back with the star and with some hot glue. I'm going to be placing it right here. And this is it. Look at how gorgeous this turned out. And then for the second project, I have these letters here. I'm going to be painting USA red, white, and blue. And then I'm going to wait until they dry up. In the meantime, I'm taking this piece of decorative paper and I am going to be framing it right here on this frame. And of course, this is from my stash. I didn't buy nothing for this video. Now let's go ahead and start putting the USA. As you know, I started painting that U in blue and it didn't work out. And then I decided to put some more acrylic paint in red and look at how nasty. So I had to take the next U in line and then I started working with that one. I'm going to be placing USA on top of the frame. Memorial Day is going to be approaching soon. I don't work, so I'm so happy. How many of you guys work on Memorial Day? I think that everybody should have that day off. With the same blue string, I went and I created a simple bow. I'm placing it right here. And then I have a different star or another star. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right on top of that bow. And there you go. This is nice and simple. This is a project that you could probably create with one of your kids. Now for this next one, I'm putting 4 beads on each of these little containers. I'm going to be painting red, white, and blue. I'm going to be creating a pretty simple garland. I started creating them, or I started putting them in place red, white, and blue, but then I decided that that wasn't looking good for me. So I took them apart and then I'm putting all the red ones together, all the white ones together, and the same thing with the blue one. With the same string, I'm creating a little tassel. I am not the best tassel maker, so bear with me here, okay? So as you see, all I did was take another piece of that same string and I'm wrapping it around the head, creating, well, exactly that, the head. And then I'm gonna go ahead and come back and give it a nice trim. Then this string was like a little hairy, or they were going like separate ways. So with a little bit of heat, I went on and I kind of like straightened it out. I did the best I could, but I think it worked out. This tag here, one side I'm going to be painting in white, and then the next side, once it dries up, I'm going to be painting it in red. And the star, I am painting it in white. And then with some hot glue, I'll be placing it right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie that to the garland. And on this, I also like to always tie it with 3 knots, only to make sure that it doesn't fall off, because once you cut it with the scissors, it's easy to come apart. And look at how cute. This is tiny yet so beautiful. I am in love with it. And now this candle, all I did was take a piece of this ribbon and wrap it around, tuck it with some hot glue, and there you go. This was a no-brainer. You have a very simple project, and now you could go ahead and display it along with all your other projects as a filler. And this one here, nice and simple. All I did was take out this little handle and added some floral in the inside, and that was it. Nice and simple and easy to create. I hope you are enjoying this first part of the video. Don't go away. I am going to come back with more DIYs. Let me show you how this is all coming together.
Enjoy, come join the fun with picture frames and flowers in the sun, rolling pins and garlands too. A candle's glow just made for you. It's the alright.
This month we are back with another DIY inspiration. It is being hosted by Loli from Loli This Creation, along with Kate, Lady Red Crafting, and the guest host this month is May, Craft Away with May. Their links direct to their channels will be down below in my description box, along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit them for more inspiration. Let them know that I sent you, and if you are coming from one of their channels, welcome to my channel. I hope you consider subscribing and staying. And also, don't forget that there is a playlist down below. Make sure to visit that playlist as well. And now let's continue to craft. This, I bought it at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be hot gluing these bamboo sticks around the frame. I'm gonna try to hide the imperfection with this wood filler. I'll be diluting this antique wax with water, and then I'll be applying one coat on the entire piece. Book is from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and put some jute twine on the lower part, and I will do that to all 3 buckets. And now it's time to decorate it with these berry picks. I'm gonna go ahead and also use some Spanish moss and some white flowers. These little buckets turned out amazing, and now it's time to put some hot glue and start gluing them in place. And look at how gorgeous this turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and take some jute twine and add a piece right back here and hang it on the wall. And this is it for this DIY. take this floral bucket and I'm gonna give it one coat with this white chalk paint. And this picture frame, I'm repurposing it. I'm gonna go ahead and retouch the white chalk paint. And then remember the bucket? I went on and I added this beautiful ribbon off camera and I just glued it in with some hot glue. And now with some more hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right on top of the picture frame. I also took 3 pieces of this yarn. I taped it to the table, I braided it, and this will be used to hang it on the wall. And we are almost done with this project. This came out to be so beautiful. I am totally happy with the results of this. If you are enjoying this DIY, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.